You searched how to buy shares of Consensus Cloud Solutions, Inc. Consensus Cloud Solutions, Inc. is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CCSI and provides cloud infrastructure solutions. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you must use a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker CCSI to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a brief company summary and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To buy, click Invest or Trade. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed as a market on open. And if your account lacks funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same process shown here.